right, YouTube is up. Let me just pop out. Let's chat. Let's get our dirtical NPCs. Yeah, don't rate any dirtical. Yeah, I feel bad like being active on people's chat, or yeah, like it feels like, yeah, like sometimes I don't like to say anything at all, even though I want to, just because I don't want to make it feel like to me it feels like I'm being active in their chat only for the potential of a raid, or only for the possibility of a raid. Not that people who are active in my chat are doing that, but like for me that's what it feels like. Raid me, yeah, exactly. Okay. Um so I'm not entirely sure what we're gonna be doing today. You've never rated me. Do you even stream, Camillus? Are you even a streamer? Let's see. Are you even a streamer, Camillus? You have one follower. You have no about me. Well, now you have two followers. And now you have to stream. Well, no, it doesn't matter now. Now you have to stream. Them's are the rules. Current bitrate is lower than the recommended bitrate. Recommend they use 6,800. Actually, my stream is at 3,000 kilobits for some odd reason. Maybe I should restart it. Have you guys noticed any decrease in quality on stream in the past couple of days? I think maybe 3,000 is fine for software and game dev. It's not like we're like jumping around. Made an about me as obnoxious as possible. Oh my god. This is good. This is actually, honestly, Daniel Pancake, this is actually pretty good. Like, I'm actually not a huge fan of most people's about me. So it's either you go go full send on it. So if this is what it is, then yeah, good job. What does this say? No. Mer 30 byte Daniel Pancake Moxo R Sit 21 Roa. Yeah. Also, how's it going, Tomer? Ruski to English. What? Yo, my name is Daniel Pancake or Danya. Student, 21 years old. I develop games and fool around on the internet. Oh, you fool around on the internet, huh? First, how's it going, I read. Oh no, I read. Why are you here? Shouldn't you be shouldn't you be asleep? No to Paul. How's it going? Thank you for the sub. All right. Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon. Good. I don't even know what to say to Irad though. Like, am I saying good morning to you, or am I saying why would Dario be asleep at 12:03? Um, I actually I don't know. Are you awake? Are you waking up, Dario, or are you going to sleep? Actually, he's probably awake, right? He's probably awake. I don't know. I don't know anymore. And why would Dario be asleep at 12:03? Because I don't know. Dario was on my stream like very late last time. But to be fair, that was 4 hours. Yeah, maybe actually your schedule's probably fine right now. I'm overreacting. Alrighty. Let's see. Let's see what's new in version 1.1.6. The update focuses on improving some long-standing sore points in the app, mostly notably with the overhauled app interface, better support of right to left languages. Couldn't sleep at all. Maybe a couple of hours. 9:30. I drank coffee. Now it's 12. You know, I read. I'm in a similar boat actually. I think I slept like 2 or 3 hours today, so we're in the same boat, Dara. You and I are the same. Did I manage to? No, no. We're in a similar boat actually. We're degens. We are officially degens of the internet. All right. What are we doing as degens? What are we doing today? I have no idea actually. I made so much, you know, that stream, I think it was Tuesday night where I streamed out of nowhere. Bro, that was like the most productive stream. Was that 625? Oh my god. 625 was a really good day actually in terms of productivity. Considering I didn't even want to stream. So yeah. In other news, we also, how do I add points to people again? Here, wait, let me see something. Who got the first today? Panda redeemed these before the stream started, so I'm not counting them. So it was Panda, Camilos, and then Mr. Glick. So here, check this out. Exclamation add underscore points to Panda Coder first one. What happened? Is there overlay on? Why didn't it work? Do you remember what the command was? Is there no underscore? Maybe it's this. Oh, there we go. What the fuck? Usage left. Wait. This is not it. Does anyone remember what the command was? Let's see. Maybe I never exported it, but I feel like I would have. Yeah, it was the command is exclamation add points. So why didn't it work? Yeah, let's try. Or maybe it did work. Do we type anything after we add points? Yeah, we say send message, added points to. Let me see. Add points. Maybe it's exclamation first. Add points. Practical. Oh, you know what it is? I think it's supposed to be a lowercase user Panda Coder. Let me see. No, it shouldn't matter. Wait, what? It worked for me. Let me see. Let me try that again. What if I put a capital P? Oh, okay. So it has to be lowercase. Maybe we should probably do to lowercase user. Okay, that's kind of annoying. Here, let's update that real quick. How do we do to lower? Like that? Username. Okay, I'm gonna refresh the overlay real quick. It's case sensitive NPC. How do people know how my overlay works more than me? Oh, what? Is this new? What the fuck? Oh, there we go. Okay. All right, so let's go back. So Panda Coder. Yeah, where are you, Panda Coder? So exclamation, add points, Panda Coder first. One. Okay. Who's next? Camilos? Why can't I copy? Oh, there we go. Second. And then who was third? Mr. Glick. Also, that thing can be, you don't need to manually. No, yeah, yeah. I made this so that I could, because I didn't turn on the overlay before I started my stream and people redeemed it like in 2 seconds. So I made this because otherwise you wouldn't get your points. Or I would have to manually update the JSON, but like I don't really know who's who sometimes because it's all your user IDs, your Twitch IDs, I mean, UU IDs. All right. Okay. Well, that's done. Um I guess he prefers having an off relay. Oh, oh man. Need to use this time. Need to use this sun time to get some things done. I'll be back later for some game dev. All right, sounds good, Tomer. Have a good one. Also, how's it going? How's it going, Carrot House? Alrighty, people. So what's the plan for today? I have no idea actually. We did a lot of stuff last stream. So let me just open up our engine here. And let's see what we did. Is my night mode on or something? Why is it so, I feel like my screen is like really dark for some reason. Never mind. Touch grass. I actually touched grass in my stream. Speaking of touching grass, we have a touch grass thing that we need to, this right here, touch foliage showcase, which is me touching grass in game. Look at that. Yeah, we are touching grass. Have you heard Buildzoid? Buildzoid is making a, who's Buildzoid? This guy? Actual hardcore overclocking? massively into overclocking. Okay, I'll try to map of it. I'm destroyed. Before I go, is this going to be another foliage stream? I don't think so. I think today's gonna be, we're gonna be doing some other stuff today. They're gonna be building a game. What kind of game? It's gonna be about overclocking hardware. Alrighty, people. Let's see what we did the other day. So we basically we did some light refactoring for the or not really refactoring, just optimization of our tool script here. It actually works now. A fast-paced FPS. What's their name? Is it Buildzoid? I'll give him a follow. Wow. Okay. Let's check him out. But yeah, I'll see ya, I read. Have a good one. All right, so what's the plan for today? We did the foliage. We made a lot of variations for our foliage. It's pretty good. I want to make some more visual updates. Also, I might be hiring or like commissioning another pixel artist for background stuff. We'll see how that goes. I'm not entirely sure what their art looks like in. What the hell, dude? Why am I playing like doo-doo right now? See you later. See you later, Irad. Have a good one. Enjoy your nap. Dude, what the hell is going on? I feel like I'm playing like doo-doo right now. Okay. Either way, you know what's weird? Our grass nodes didn't spawn on the areas we wanted them to. I wonder what gives there. Maybe I didn't save it. Maybe I didn't run it correctly. Maybe I only ran replace textures on this scene, which is honestly more probably, yeah, it's possible. But yeah. Anywho, let me see. Let me see what's in our to-do here. Secret room gates, touch grass, Twitter post. I definitely want to do that. We might do that later today. Survey due, create survey for playtesters. So this is going to be on our Kickstarter. Whoops. If I can figure out another update to make on the website that would be a really good idea to do. A good idea. Today's the 30th. All right. Fuck. All right. All right. Oh, look at that. All right. Touch grass, Twitter post, level design. Do we need to do any level design? Do we want to update our boss fight perhaps? Let me see. So give me 1 second. I want to check my. Actually, I can show this. I have a message request. Oh my god. Can we add, wait, let me see something. I don't have threads. Okay. I guess we gotta bang out a lot of stuff today. I wonder if we want to do checkpoint teleports. Is there an easy way for us to do this? I guess we can do the alt alt button for teleportation. Also, let me see something. Never mind. All right, so yeah, we need to check for all of our gates, and I think I want to create like a quick system. So here, let's do this right now. The three things we're gonna do a few more things today. Let me see. Finalize world features. We need the chapter gates, secret room gates. One, I need a tool to visualize gate positions. Debug to unlock gates. That's basically it. And then we also need this checkpoint teleport, alt button / view button. And then we also need, we actually technically need a tutorial of some kind, visual key binding tutorial. I also want to upgrade our UI, but it's going to take a hot minute for us to do that. All right, we're going to speed things up. I might make, okay. What are we doing first? I guess we're going to do the gates first, because that's the easiest thing. Teleportation might be a little weird because we have to create a system for that. All right, so let's go into our gates. We need to find. Okay. Currently I don't think they're oh, they are tools. Okay, that kind of works out. Pillar gates are not tools though. We're gonna make them a tool. But connect to pressure plate is connecting signals. We don't need to do this. If engine dot is editor hint. Okay. But we do want to check connections. So if there is a connected node for our tool, Twitch scam making the rounds, yeah. I did add that bot that you suggested a long time ago, or a while ago, the Siri bot. It has helped, actually, so thank you for that. Okay. Display connected chapter. Also, let me just go on GitHub real quick. Whoops, what the hell is here? What did we do yesterday? Pillar gates, firebox. I think we just finalized. Analyze tool for foliage. All right. Okay. So display connected. You know, honestly, I'm thinking maybe we can just add a. We can add a standalone because I only need this for my editor. So here, you know what? I'm thinking we have like an editor tools, developer tools right here. I'm gonna go into here. I'm gonna make a new scene here, and it's gonna be, it could be a control. I'm just gonna make it a, yeah, it'll be a user interface node, and we're gonna change this into a label. And we'll call this chapter gate display node. Another thing we can do actually is we can, I'm trying to think, we can even make a standalone object in our game. Honestly, that might be better. So here, actually, I'm gonna make this a control node instead. Just a regular control node. Makes our life so much easier, actually. Chapter gate. And we can use this for like other things in our game too. I'm pretty sure, wait, let me see something. We used to have something for like a room counter node or something like that. Display states, no, yeah, display states node. Yeah, this right here, I believe is a tool script. And I guess we would throw this into our debug, like here, maybe we'll call this like editor display node. And I'm gonna save this. I mean, it could be a singleton, or we could save it as a, yeah, let's save it as a singleton. I'm gonna put it in a group also. We're gonna add this to like I don't know, editor display nodes. All right, and I think we're gonna save this as a singleton. Let me just save this. Where are singletons? Singletons, developer tools, editor display node. And we'll throw in a script. I'll save this. Where did I say? Singletons, developer tools, editor display node. All right. And what we're going to do in here is a function. What we're going to do, also ads are going to start soon. Oh, I meant to say tool. What we're going to do in here is we're going to say for, and we want to add pillar gates to a group too. I probably want to create a class for this too. Actually, it's going to be called a chapter gate. Chapter gate node. These guys are going to be called pressure plate gate nodes. Okay. And what we want to do, technically, these are the nodes that pressure plate for doors. We'll call this pressure plate for doors. Pressure gate. I'm gonna call them pressure gate. Pressure plate. Call it gate pressure plates. Prepping for playtest, is that for Kickstarter or for us? It's for Kickstarters, yeah. Gauge pressure plates. All right, so we're gonna do a function here called add labels to pressure plates. Quintube, how's it going? To speed up the process, I'm just gonna add the label here. We'll just create a duplicate. We'll call this display label. Or honestly, we'll probably just create a new label. Or yeah, we can just do this display label. Snail house. What the fuck? Never mind, that was something else. Um. Oh fuck! I meant to copy this. How's VR chat back up? Is that my Is that my password? Yeah. A new display label dot text. Blah, 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 blah. Connected chapter. Blah, 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 blah. Is there anything else we want to add? Gonna hack you? Gonna hack me on VR chat? VR chat is free, right? I don't even know. I've never. You can make your own models in VR chat too, right? What the hell? I can't even click on it. I'm getting hacked. Don't understand it at all. What the hell is going on? Um, can we mess with global nodes? See something? Not global. Is there a global position? Set global position. Making avatars is very involved. Can you just import the one that you made for your VTuber thing? You have to install Unity? Ooh, ooh. I don't know. New display label, set global position. Is gonna equal the nodes. Okay. I think we're good. Here, let me also just say. And you know what? Let me just say this is equal to label. All right, let's see if this works. Oh, we can't just make this a singleton. We have to throw it into our nodes, actually. So here, let me get rid of it. Editor display node. What the hell? It didn't do the thing I wanted it to do. What the hell? It's not doing shit. Why? Uh, get tree, get nodes in group. Oh, because I think because we didn't save here. Let's try it again. There we go. So we should see a label on these nodes now. Let me see. Yeah, there we go. Connected chapter, chapter 3. And you know what? It'd be cool if we could display this information on every chapter. So connected chapter is 3. Connected chapter is 3. So we should be able to open these rooms, and I think I want to collect more information on these. Not just the connected chapter, but let me see. Basically all of this info. Yo, Dex, how's it going? What a long way have you come. Assume memorially installed on every computer. Yes. How's it going, Dex? How you been? It's been a minute. Doing freaking good, thanks. Hell yeah. I'm glad to hear it. Can you append text? I guess, can you say just plus equals? Well, actually, let me see something. Ah, shit. Three and true. How do you? I thought it was like /T. No? Yeah, it is /T. Slow it. But maybe it's a different amends 27203. How's it going? Godot, new line and oh, it's just slash \n. \n? Oh no, /n. \n. Is it me or is this song like crackly? I keep pausing the music because I think it's my mic, but I guess the song is just crackly. There we go. Do 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 do. How do I put this node on a higher Z index? How do you put control nodes on a higher Z index? Visibility? You can use a canvas layer and make that the parent of the nodes you want to change it into. Can I just make this a canvas layer then? All right, there we go. Is there a certain font we want? No. We'll just do this one. Are there more chapters after the Hell Zone now? Yeah, there are. There are 6 chapters in total. I wonder if this is too big of a font. Yeah. The demo that I'm trying to release is only going to showcase up to chapter 3. But yeah, there are chapter 1, 2, and 3. 3 is the hell level. They're all basically fully almost like very close to what they'll look like in the final release. 4, 5, and 6 are still they're not perfect yet, in my opinion. Setting the font is incorrect. Let me see. Try that again. Seems like invalid font on base label with value of dynamic font. So we're doing this wrong. Let's see. Text. Theme overrides. Why are we not seeing that? So fonts, and we say font. Fonts.font. Or font dot. What the hell? Invalid index font on base label. What the hell? Why? Get font. Add font override. What's with the creates a local override for a theme font with a specified name? All right. Was it font override? Add font override. Ads are gonna start soon, by the way. What the hell? It's still not working. Was it? Invalid index, current world, let me see. Pressure plate. Is there anything else we need to do? Like activate the font? Maybe. Because, here, wait, let's see. Get color, get font. How the hell do you just set the font? Oh my god. Wordstone Studio, how's it going? Thank you for the raid. I don't think have I seen you before? Path of a font, but we did this and it's still not working. We're not getting any errors. Maybe we have to say font? Does that matter? Maybe we have to check it or something. I've definitely seen your name before, but I'm not following you. Hope you're doing well. Sir Enemy, how's it going? Whoops. See your name come up, but I see it. I see. Well, if you have anything you want to share, definitely post it. Oh, nice computer over here. All right. I don't know what the hell is going on here. I don't want to spend too much time. Honestly, it doesn't even matter. Let me just see. So we said add font override. Get font. Get font. Get font. Theme has font. Has font. Remove font. Yeah, we have the font override. Maybe once you add it, you have to like reload it or something. Here, wait. Actually, if we set the owner to the to be the edited scene root, something might change, and I think we should do that actually. So here, after we add the child, I'll do it over here. Actually, no, we have to keep it here. Let me see. All right, hopefully this should work. It's just so we could see the information. Boom. All right, there we go. And then if we look at our fonts here, we look at our theme overrides and we look at fonts, nothing got added. Interesting. Theme overrides font. We're not getting any errors. Invalid. The fuck? Yeah, let me see. Simple arcade game, learning good practice. Try setting the font's labels. Try setting the font on labels. Label settings. Evil blow. Label settings. Let me see. Label settings. What is that? That's not a property. Wait, let me see. Whoops. Add font override debug font, which is this scene right here. Settings are saved. Simple little game I've been making. Here, let me check it out. We pride ourselves in the low effort, low output, and low quality we achieve. With your help, we strive towards our goal of doing even less. I like this. I like where you're going with this. Is it? Yeah, it's good 03. Top down sword guy. Nice. No way it's Bragdon. I was going Felonier. No way it's Forward Stone. All right. Yeah, it's weird because it says, I mean, we've added it as a, we've set the font override, but we don't even see it debug font. Maybe the name has to be the same as whatever we have here. I don't know. No, that doesn't make sense. Why that would be the case. Here, wait. You know what? Let me see something. Maybe, I mean, we could have just duplicated something like a. We could have just duplicated this scene, but yeah, it's weird. Let me see. Show labels. We create these labels, themes, theme overrides. We've added a. There's no theme over. This is supposed to be maybe. Try this again. Maybe it has to be activated somehow. See something. I mean, it's fine. I like this is mainly for just me debugging, but I was just like, I wanted a different, just wanted a different text. But let me just see one more thing. What if we just load it first? I'll try one more thing. I'll reload. Yeah. The thing is, I need to do it via code. I mean, what we could do is just create a preload of this, or just like create one version and then duplicate it. We can do that too. Let me reload the project just in case. How's it going, Falconer? How you been? Here, what else do we have to do in the meantime? So yeah, I mean, we have this going. Debug to unlock gates. We'll do that in just a second. Big refactor in the game, and Dragon helped us set a workflow to post to Steam easier. Hell yeah, it's awesome. So yeah, I mean, I could just duplicate this display label that we created, but it would be a different node, or like we're deleting our old children. On add from string to font. Now let's see. No, still doesn't work. Oh, I put a space here, maybe. Oh yeah, there we go. Thanks. Is that what they said in the docs here? No, they literally say you just give it whatever. All right, whatever. Thank you. All right. I probably should update this a little bit. Yeah, add font, whatever. All right. So why do I want this? I just want to make sure, like, when I'm adding these chapters, that we have the correct chapter connected to it. So for instance, this one should be not chapter 3, but instead, probably chapter, a non-existent chapter. Like we don't have anything here, so I'm gonna throw in something, or like maybe chapter 5. Anything that isn't chapter 3, anything that we don't have access to just yet. Another thing we want to do is, okay, so debug open and always open. I believe we don't really need debug open. Yeah, same with this one. Posture NPC. All right. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. So we see this one. This one is connected to chapter 1. technically this is okay for it to be activate again. Debug open, always open is false. Technically, this one is connected. I don't know what the hell this activate again is. Let me see. I don't even know what that variable does. Emit signal deactivate. I don't think we use this activate again. What the hell is activate again? If activate again, we say deactivate. I think this is specific to other types of nodes. But we don't, do we even use this timer? Pressure plate on gates. I think we were recycling a bunch of code from another node, and there's like stuff that we don't really need in here. So activate again. Let me see. If activate again, let's just get rid of it. Bum, 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 bum. Korean ISP that infected user systems with malware? No, I've not. We got it to work. The issue was that you have to name it font. Yeah. But yeah, this was the issue. Thanks. All right. Yeah, I don't think this is necessary. This activate again. We'll try it again. Probably should clean it up a bit. Where the hell's our player? Okay. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Why are we in chapter 2? Oh, you know what's funny? It's gonna be in. We're gonna see these labels right now, I think. Oh no, never mind. All right, so this one's locked. And we go up here. We should be able to open this one unless my character doesn't own it. So basically, what we need to do. Let me just make sure this works. We'll have to go into chapter 3. I can throw it into our JSON right now. Oh my god, so just close this. Yeah, I'll mess with our player in just a second. TLDR, they're claiming it was to counter people torrenting as it's illegal, despite the fact that they are perfectly legitimate to torrent. So they threw in this malware so that they can check if people are torrenting. Why is the like, I know ISPs, like, let's say, like, I live in the United States. I know ISPs are, oh, I see, that's their claim. I see. Not necessarily what the reasoning is. Not necessarily, that might not be what the actual reason is. All right. All right, so this is my player data. I'm curious. We have something called chapter stones, and I don't remember if see this chapter stones. We have chapter 1 and then the connected chapter. I don't remember if it's like I assume if my intuition says, you know, this is the first chapter and we're connected to chapter 1. So if we added another one called chapter 2, or we added another dictionary here, called chapter 2. Oops. So if this is chapter, actually we need chapter 3, and then this will say chapter 1. Let's save it, and let's run the game, and we should be able to unlock it now. You know ISPs are what? No, no. Oh, I think I was saying like in the US, ISPs are like, I guess they're the ones responsible. Like, if you were caught torrenting something illegal, it's usually your ISP that's like, hey, we're gonna get rid of your service, or something like that, or like, you'll get in trouble or something like that. And I always wonder like why is the ISP the one that's held responsible um for you torrenting? Like yeah, I'm just wondering why is it that why is that the case? I guess because they're the ones promoting like illegal, quote unquote, legal activity. Um, right, yeah, Dark and Darker needed to be torrented, right? Um, it's not illegal. It's not illegal. It's up to them. So what the ISPs are responsible for people torrenting. Hmm. Many ISPs have a no torrenting clause in their contract. Copyright holders can sue ISPs for being vicarious contributor to, and they have more to lose than we do. I see. I guess that makes sense. I guess like because it's so hard, it's probably harder for the copyright holders to go after individuals too. That makes sense. I don't know. I remember when I was like really young, I got like, I don't know if it was from the ISP or like, it must have been from I'm not sure. I could have sworn it was probably from the, like, it felt like it was from the government or something. I remember my parents were upset with me because they got like something in the mail. Yeah, right. It's easier to go after Seven Corporation. Makes sense. It's just them covering their back. But yeah, I mean, with the whole, yeah, that's kind of weird that Korea would do that. I don't know. But I don't know what the Korean government is like. Um, it still seems to be locked. So maybe it's the other way around. Because right now we're in chapter here. Wait, let me see. Um, so right now the connected chapter is 3. So if I run this again, so I guess how I created this system, the South Korean government is corrupt as hell. Ah, see, I was told it was the North Korean government, but it turns out those are actually the good guys. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I know. I'm just memeing here. Um, they heavily side with corpse. I see. So I'm trying to think. Is this how we want to do it then? So like the connected chapter. So here, let me do this again. So it would technically be this 3. And then if we run the game. What the hell? They both don't work. What the fuck? Who the hell wrote this fucking script here? Let me see here. So we say connected chapter is equal to 3. So we go into our player's chapter. Connected chapter. Can open. So we say if is demo. Oh, apparently if is demo, we just return false apparently. Probably should not do that. So if save manager.current profile.str of the current world ID. Here, let's actually just print out what the player is, what their current profile is. Oh, apparently we're doing that currently, but here, I'll put a break in here just to try it out. So the players trap their stones. Let's run it again. Okay, so we're printing 1, 3, and then 3, 1. And if our oh, you know what it might have been? We had the you know why it might have been locked? It was wait, let's see. It might work now. I think it was always working. I think it was because we had the demo on. We were returning false automatically. So let me run it again and see what happens. Oh, we could have run it, but so let's see. There we go. Okay. Let me just close this again. Let me update our JSON file here. I'm not sure. I assume it's this one. So here, let's get rid of this. So chapter 3 is returning chapter 1. So if chapter 3 has chapter 1, then you can unlock it. That's how we do it. That's how we do it around here. I think. I hope. So, what does that mean for the what does that mean for the government, or like what does that mean for the people? Like no one can torrent now? I mean, I guess you can have, well, you said it's malware. So like are they checking if people are running on VPNs? So right now we're checking if their current world has that chapter, but it should be the opposite. It should be, is this how we want to do it? Like for me, like just looking at the JSON, I thought it was gonna be the opposite. But I mean, both ways work. It's just like, what do we want to be? And what are we doing with our stones too? Our memory stones. Let me see, memory. Forgot what the hell do we even call these nodes? I have one stored right here. Technically, it shouldn't be here, but